All right, guys. Today I'm doing a review. This is Copper Branch. This cheesecake is actually vegan. It's actually not even made of cheese. Check this out. It's cashew lime. That's why they actually put the Z there. But check this. It's got raw cashews and freshly pressed limes, organic coconut, coconut milk, coconut oil, raw cane sugar, dates, and some chlorophyll, sea salt. So I'm going to do a quick taste test. This was not cheap, but I wanted to try it, so here we go. All right, got the lid up. Okay, like I said, this is vegan, so dairy free, made of cashews. So that's actually quite good. It tastes like, yeah, you can definitely taste the coconut. It tastes like a thick coconut cream, key lime sort of pie, sort of. The citrus really comes through. But think of it more in the realm of just pure coconut and thick coconut cream. Definitely check it out, guys. Fan, question, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.